Hello my Legiamadors, in this video we're going to look at the review of the Tiger 1 made by Tamiya. So here you can see the box art and it's in the 1:35 scale. Here you can see painting scheme and some other tanks made by Tamiya or type. In the box we have instruction manual. Here you can see assembling road wheels, exhaust pipes, spare tracks, tone cables, tracks, hatches, turret. So as you can see we are the rubber tracks. Here you can see the hull, and for the first time photoedge parts, and let's take a look one by one. So here you can see photoedge parts made by Edward. For me it's for the first time working with photoedge part. This is how it looks. And first plastic sprue with wheels, of course. You can see road wheel and pretty nice details, some equipment like hatches or like this part, of course a shovel and cover for the exhaust. This part was made from cloth I think and rubber. It is for the exhaust pipes. So here you can see cable, some accessories, some fin parts, hatches and spare tracks and smoke launchers. Pretty nice details on the tracks. And this is another sprue with covers for exhaust and front armor plate, and here you can see plate with SMG and fenders. Box on the turret, and here you can see miniature with, I must say, excellent details like cloth, etc. Okay. Here is the hull parts and the turret parts. As you can see, turret has a little well texture and gun mantle and back, and of course upper hull with separate hatches and engine cover. And here you can see accessories like shovel, MG42, X, and other stuff for the tank, and of course exhaust, again tone cable here, gun barrel from 2 pieces, again fenders, and again tone cable. And last is a decal sheet. As you can see, decal sheet are a little bit thick, so you must sand it down with a nail file and use of course decal setter. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.